Ever wondered why your perfectly normal texts sometimes sound rude? It is often because of one tiny, weird detail. Skipping punctuation feels warm and casual, but adding a period to a short text, your brain reads that as cold and clipped. Compare these two. Sounds good dot hits much harder and feels way more formal than just sending sounds good. One feels like a door closing shut. The other feels like the conversation is still wide open and friendly. Punctuation is the new tone of voice. Adapt your style or keep accidentally confusing the people you message.